Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to delete files permanently from your system, okay, and in Windows 11. So I will show you that. Here is my folder, and you can see here this is my one of video files recorded now, and you can simply right click, then delete. You can see here, you can see the icon delete. Select that application is deleted, sorry, that file is deleted, and go to recycle bin. Then you can see that deleted file is here, so you can simply right click and restore that file from here. You can see here. So how to delete permanently, I will show you that. We can simply restore these items, restore all items. Okay, so that's restored, and once again open that folder PC videos. You can see the file is here. Then just press and hold shift key, then select delete from it. So it will be asking you a question that, are you sure that you want to delete permanently this file? Click here yes, then you are permanently delete that file. Actually it is not permanently, but for normal peoples it will be deleted permanently. So come back to the recycle bin, open that. Then you can see here there is no files with that name. That means it will be deleted permanently, and some peoples can restore that file sometimes without any problems. Sometimes it will be corrupted, but they can bring back that files by using some recovery softwares or any other recovery technologies. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.